How to make photos quality low on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make photos quality low on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings. Click on it and here scroll down again and you will find the media. Click on it. Now all you need to do is just select this one here low, click on it, just one click and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.